Okay? We are on this trail that no person has ever gone to before. We're getting to the end where the 49ers were looking for. What's the name of that city? El Dorado? Yeah. So we found some gold flake. See all that right there? That's all gold flake in the stream. Yeah, all that gold flake. We're just trying to get to the source. Where it's at. It's kind of treacherous. As you can see, we got giant acorns. Yeah, this is exploration. Oh shit. Stuff, pardon me. Woo! I got my trusty drone here. I might use that to scout ahead. We got one casualty. You gotta be careful in this. There's a lot of cutbacks. Everything is slick. And there's pythons. I'm gonna leave it over here. Oh yeah, that's where we gotta go. We gotta get to the top. Yeah. That's the land of the lost. Whew. This exploration are going to take us to parts unknown. That's a trail that animals use right there. Whew. So we're going to try to traverse this terrain. You can't make it. You got to go barefooted.
That's why I want to go over there.
We can get that. Don't be scared.